Incoming, go! Here comes the big racetrack. Ah, I got it! Okay, your turn. Your turn.
What is this for?
Right. You gotta go up the slide and make it go down. You know what? I get another toy for you, man.
Let's go right here. I'll go right here. I'll go right here.
Is it coming?
No, not yet.
Here it comes.
No, it's coming.
Here it comes. Watch out, dude. Watch out, dude. Oh, I got it. I got it.
Okay.
There you go. Let's do it again. Again. I'll be waiting. The car is coming down. Where are you? All right. I'm waiting. Go. Where are you? I'm waiting. Here it comes. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. All right, you got it, man. Are you up there? You gotta make it go backwards. Go! I got you, man. I got you, man.
I didn't see the truck.
Hey, I gotta take a break. I gotta get some water. Let's see, where did it go? Okay, let's try this again. Ah, you found me. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Do you want me to go with you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll meet you halfway. Okay, go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Excuse me, sir. Yeah? Okay. All right, you go.
My grandson made me laugh because you go higher there and the sun go
And my grandson said, he's over there.
Yeah.
You run away.
I know.
Yeah, because they are.
Where's your grandson at? Like,
Right now, he's
he's up there.
He's a tiny one.
Yeah,
But
yeah. Yeah, he's looking around.
he's over there.
That's funny. All right, come. All right, Kayla, come on, man. Let's go up again. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, wait. Shh. He's gonna go too. Come on, let's go. Did you ready to go up too?
Oh, no,
No. You gotta go up.
Oh,
Did you gotta go up?
oh,
No. Okay, come on, let's go, man. Let's go.
See, that was a month ago?
No,
that means you go.
no, because she's too tired.
Oh, I'm not younger anymore.
Yeah, she's not young anymore. Like she's grandma.
Grandma's getting
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yes, go.
You wanna go?
He wants to go.
Ready? Let's go. Go. I'll follow you. Here I come. I'm coming up. Hey, wait. Go ahead. I'm coming. Go.
My brother.
That's your brother?
On the table.
Tesla, where are your shoes? They're missing. Oh, where are your shoes, babe?
Where's the truck at, dude? Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
I got you again, man. I got you again. Okay. Wait a minute. Did you see that guy over there? Hey, Caleb. All right, let me put this up here. Where's the truck?
It's not coming.
Where's the truck at? Oh man, that was just like a little baby car, man. Where'd the truck go? Where'd the truck go? Where'd the truck go?
Where's the truck?
Yeah, where's the truck? Uh-oh. Do you know what? I think it's still up there.
Let's go get it.
Okay, you go get it. Love it. Love it. Here's a truck. Yeah. Hey! Did you find the truck? Where's the truck? Hey, Caleb. go. Shh, be very quiet. I'm hiding from the little dude. Hey, where's the gun? Where are you?
Sebastian!
Where's the truck? I found it. Shh, be very quiet, man. Hey, I found the truck. Woohoo! I'm over here. I'm inside the steps. I found the truck.
Yeah!
It's right here.
Who left it?
It was right here.
Oh, why?
You didn't see it?
No.
Okay, all right. Let's go make your song. Hey, man, I have a cool coloring book for you. Hey, like it matches
No,
your,
let's go.
like it matches your jacket.
Daddy, come on!
Like, do you want it? Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go get it. Hey, I meet you down. Let's go down. You go make the truck go down. Okay, hold on. Let me get out of here. And then I'm gonna give you the book, man. I gotta get out of here. Oh, yeah. Jesus Christ, that thing is small. Okay, let me see how I'm gonna do this here without causing too much commotion. Okay, where's the guy with the jacket? Where's the guy with the jacket? Where's the guy with the jacket? Like with the like? No, the guy with the jacket with the like Avenger shirt, the like Avenger jacket. There he goes. Hey, can you do something for me? Can you give him something for me? Okay, you gotta give him a coloring book, okay? Okay, you ready? Here. Now here's the coloring book. You gotta give this to him, okay? Alright, you see, because it matches his jacket. There you go. And you say thank you? And handshake? Handshake? Handshaking and shake his hand? And shake his hand? And now we all shake hands like this? Okay, and then we shake this hand too. Like, okay, let's shake this hand like this. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right. Hey, you make sure you do some cool pictures, okay? You see, like it matches your jacket, dude. You see, you can see it right there. You see, it's the same one. That's cool. Yeah, that's yours, okay? Hey, make sure that you give it to your mama, okay? All right. Okay. There's not too many girls here today. Yeah, just only boys. Hey, do you know what this is? It's a fan. It is? Like, are you hot? Do you want to do it? But first, you got to give me 25 cents. No, you did the real money. Go get 25 cents, man. Hey, make sure that you give it to your mama, okay?
What are you?
Do you have 25 cents?
No.
Do you have 25 cents?